Question number 16. They are asking us to calculate the area of the designed region. This is the designed region. It is in the center of the square. They are telling the area of the designed region is common between the two quadrants. This is one quadrant. You can see the upper quadrant, and this is the lower quadrant. This area is common for both the quadrants. That area is designed. The radius of the circle is 8 centimeter. Because it is a square, then this is going to be the radius of the quadrant. So radius is going to be 8 centimeter. We are going to find the area of this designed region. So we can write like this: area of designed region Now you can see that the upper part and the lower part are looking similar. When you take the upper quadrant, this is nothing but the segment. When you take the lower quadrant, this is the segment. So if you can find area of one segment and multiply that by 2, then that is going to give you the area of the design. So area of the designed region is going to be 2 times area of the segment. Now you know how to find area of segment. Area of segment is given by area of quadrant. Actually it is area of sector, but now the sector is in the shape of a quadrant here. So you are going to have area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Substituting the formulas, we are going to have 2 into area of quadrant is 1/4 of the area of the circle. So it is pi r squared by 4 minus area of the triangle is going to be, when we are using this angle, we are normally using trigonometric formula of finding the area of triangle, that is r squared sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now we are going to substitute the values. When we substitute the values, we are going to have 2 into pi value is 22 by 7. Then r value, r is 8. So we have 8 into 8 divided by 4 minus r value is 8. So we are going to have 8 into 8 into, when you take the half angle, the full angle is 90 degrees. So the half angle is going to be 45 degrees. So we are going to have sin 45 degree cos 45 degree. Now you can see that 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. We are going to substitute the values. When we substitute the values, we are going to get into 8. We will keep it as 44 into 8 divided by 7 minus into sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. 2 into 128 divided by 7. When you multiply by 2, you are going to have 256 by 7 centimeter square. This is the area of the designed region. Area of the designed region is equal to 256 by 7 centimeter square.